Hey, this is Ronald from MassKills University, and this is the back of my G7 Dell laptop. And some laptops have one screw, some have more screws. But once you pop that screw or those screws off, we can look inside the laptop. And inside, you're going to see basically the same components, whether it's a PC or it's a laptop. You're going to have fans, you're going to have some kind of chip on here, Intel chip or whatever chip. You're going to have a power supply, hard drive, maybe an SSD drive like this one does, but sometimes you'll have one SSD drive, Wi-Fi, CMOS, memory modules here. I have two 8 GB modules here, and I have two fans over there, and then the motherboard's underneath. And to get to the motherboard, there's a screw. If I go down here, I'll see little screws along the bottom, and you'll see some up here along the top. And that would take this plastic thing off and you can get to everything underneath that. With that said, the most common components that are going to break down on a PC or a laptop are going to be the hard drive. They die. You may want to upgrade your memory modules or chips. And then this is the SSD drive. You could upgrade your Wi-Fi if you needed to. This is my backup laptop. I don't use it anymore, but my hard drive at one point did die. And there are 4 screws here. And you pop them out, and I'll finish taking this one out now. And once you pop them out, the hard drive just comes up like this. And since I knew the exact model number of the laptop, I just went on eBay and Amazon and found the cheapest hard drive I can get. And this is a 1 TB hard drive. This just slides away like that and bring it out. Put the new hard drive in and then just slide this back in. It's going to snap in. Put this back in place and put the 4 screws back in here and you're good to go. If I needed to upgrade my SSD drive, I would just pop this out and the memory modules pop up the same way. Be careful and patient as you take them out and put it back in. So the best way to get to the memory modules is to take this plastic thing off. The screws are on top and the bottom, and then you'll have easier access to the memory modules, and they're going to pop up just like that. Just slide them out, put the new modules in. But let's put that back in and put this back together. There you go. When you're done, put the case back on. Turn the laptop on. If you put in a new hard drive or anything that's new, Windows will recognize that new hard drive when you boot it up and it will automatically add it to your system. If you put a new hard drive in, you have to reformat the hard drive. So keep that in mind. You're going to need a version of Windows, but it's a good way for you to make a living if you decide to repair laptops. With that said, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm wishing you and yours the very best in 2025. Peace.